Today's instrument is well known for all of you. Yes. It's a centrifuge. How vortex mixer work? If we observe the solution in test tube or any container, we saw that particles of high density settle at the bottom while lighter particle floats to the top. Particles move because of its difference in density. The greater the difference in density, the faster they move. If there is no difference in density, the particles stay steady. To take advantage of even tiny differences in density to separate various particles in a solution, gravity can be replaced with a much more powerful centrifugal force. This force can be provided by the centrifuge. A centrifuge is a piece of equipment that puts an object in rotation around a fixed axis, applying a potentially strong force perpendicular to the axis of spin. The centrifuge works using the sedimentation principle, where the centripetal acceleration causes denser substances and particles to move outward in the radial direction. At the same time, objects that are less dense are displaced and moved to the center. Just take a look on these tubes. First tube is before centrifugation and second is after centrifugation. In second tube, two layers are shown. Bottom dark layer indicates high density particles, and upper layer indicates light density particles. Now we see the types of centrifuge. Three types of centrifuge are available. First is low-speed centrifuge. Second is high-speed centrifuge. Third is ultracentrifuge. Let's understand first type, that is low-speed centrifuge. This centrifuge have maximum speed of 4,000 to 5,000 rpm, so called as low-speed centrifuge. This centrifuge operate at room temperatures, so it does not require temperature controller system. In this centrifuge, two types of rotors are used, namely, fixed angle, and swinging bucket. It is used for sedimentation of red blood cells. Second type of the centrifuge is high-speed centrifuge. This type of centrifuge has maximum speed of 15,000 to 20,000 rpm. It is used in sophisticated iochemical applications. Due to higher speeds, the temperature control is required. Three types of rotors are available for high-speed centrifugation, namely fixed angle, swinging bucket and vertical rotors. Third type is ultracentrifuge. This type of centrifuge have maximum speed of 65,000 rpm. Due to such high speed, the intense heat is generated, thus the spinning chambers must be refrigerated and kept at a high vacuum. It is used for both preparative work and analytical work. Types of centrifugation. This slide is for information only. Operating procedure of common centrifuge. Ensure that all the knobs are in normal position. Open the upper lid by releasing the lock and lifting it up. Place the centrifuge tubes in the compartment. Switch on the mains. Set the required time with the kelp of button. Gradually increase the RPM, with the help of adjustment knob. After completion of the centrifugation time, a buzzer will beep. Switch off the mains and carefully open the lid and remove the material. In this slide you know the application of centrifuge. Centrifuges may be used for other purpose, which may not be listed here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learn more about centrifuge.